Passwords. We all have them, but how much thought actually goes into creating one? Users like you and me are often inundated with warnings about security, yet despite this, not much support or guidance has been provided, so we are unable to make smart security decisions. A survey of around 400 end users demonstrated that only 40% felt that they were in the position of understanding and devoting time to security, which is alarming. Leading websites fail to give guidance to users during password selection, encouraging bad practice. In fact, Facebook accepts combinations of users' first names and surnames as a password. Not to mention, Amazon accepts password as a valid choice. Users therefore tended to select easy-to-remember passwords, which in turn makes it easy for the hacker. In an experiment, users were tasked with creating password-protected accounts to take a survey about social media practices. This was employed so they didn't realise they were in a study involving passwords so natural behaviour could be monitored. Following this, 5 alternative scenarios were studied. 1. Passwords were chosen by users. 2. 4 points of advice were given. 3. Advice on a standard password meter, rating passwords as either weak, medium, or strong. 4. Sad, neutral, and happy emojis replacing the meter. And lastly, 5. Emoji including an emotive feedback. 3 scoring ranges were used to signify weak, medium, and strong choices. Here are the weak, medium, and strong results. Evidently, there was a significant difference between receiving guidance and none at all. There is a decrease in weak password choices from the first scenario to the 5th, displaying a very positive effect on user behaviour. In summary, by increasing user awareness and support, behaviour was improved, which raises the overall security of the information system. It's important to note that this doesn't mean that users are more accepting of security. However, it is a good nudge in the right direction to better security. Admittedly, even with guided features, some users didn't change much, although for the rest of us, it will make a difference. Remember to make a strong password.